guys, welcome to another Hack the Box tutorial. Today we're going to test the Crocodile machine from the Starting Point series. For the first task, the answer is -S_C. That's the Nmap switch used to enumerate scripts during a scan. Let's create a directory using the command line. Let's type mkdir nmap. Nmap in this case will be our new folder. Time to start scanning. Let's do nmap-s_c-s_b-v for verbose output and paste the IP address. Then do -O_A so we can save our output in our newly created nmap directory. Then type ./nmap/crocodile. Here we can see port 21 open with an FTP service. Let's copy the system version. For task 2, the answer is BSFTPD 3.0.3. For task 3, what service is returned to us for the anonymous FTP login allowed message? The answer is code 230. The command we use to download files we find on the FTP server is the get command. Let's connect to the FTP server. Type FTP and the IP address we are attacking. In order to log into the server, use the anonymous username. After listing, we find two important files, one being user list and the other one being user list passwords. Let us get the user list first by typing on the command line get allowed.userlists. Now type get allowed.userlist.password. Let's exit the server. Now back in our terminal, we can list general files. We find the previous two files we just downloaded. Now, in order to see them, let's concatenate the files. Type cat allowed.userlist and hit enter. This will display all usernames. After that, type cat once again followed by allowed.userlist.password. This will display the passwords for those users. As we can logically conclude, admin is one of the higher privileged usernames in the list we retrieved. What version of Apache HTTP server is running on the target host? Let's try to go back to the directory we created at the beginning of the video. Type cd nmap and hit enter. Type cat crocodile.nmap in order to view the contents of that folder. The target is running Apache HTTPD 2.2.41 in an Ubuntu machine. For task 7, what is the name of a handy website analysis plugin we can install in our browser? The answer is going to be Wapalizer. What switch can we use with gobuster to specify we're looking for any specific file types? That will be -x. I'm going to run gobuster on that target machine now. Here is the command for this specific test. In this case, -u is used to specify a URL. -w is used to specify the word list we are going to use. And as previously mentioned, -x to signify the extension we are going to use within the word list. Let's look for status code 200s since that's the HTTP OK response. We have a config.php file and a login.php file. There's also an index.html, but we know that's a landing page anyways. So let's try login.php. Paste the target's IP address on a web browser followed by login.php. On a new terminal window, I list my files. Then type cat allowed.userlist to view this file, and I did the same with the password file. If you follow them in order, you can see that the admin username and the last password in the list match. Just paste them in the login portal. And we're in. Here we find the flag.